Want to protect your flow on the dashboard you have created from others to edit it and play with it? Yes, it's possible. If so, you need to go in the NodeRED location and open this settings.js file. And then when you open it, you will find this search admin auth. So this is for the editor. As you can see here, it is written. This is for the editor where we write the flow. You need to comment out all these. And you need to provide your password in the hash password form. So how we create password? We need to open the command prompt and you need to write NodeRED admin hash password hash pw. You don't need to write NTX. This is for my as my location of the NodeRED is different, so I need to write this. But you need to write only NodeRED admin hash pw. And whatever you will write, it will be converted into a password. So write. So it has given me a password. Control C, paste it here. And this is for the editor. Now for the dashboard, search HTTP node auth. So this is for the dashboard part. Here you can change the username, which is already set as user, and provide the password. So I'm pasting the same password, and you need to also comment out this. I have already done this. Control S, and then you need to restart your node. So you can see that it is asking for password. I think I've written something wrong. So let's generate password again. Now you see that space is there and this is creating the error. Now it's correct. Control S and restart the node. So now you can see that admin has logged in and logout option is also there. Now let's open the dashboard. It is also asking for password. So now you have logged in. And now you will start the second time when you restart the node, right? Then it will ask you for the password. So I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.